Yes, you absolutely can play YouTube videos from your iPhone or your iPad and hear them directly on your Apple AirPod mini speaker. It's fairly simple to do. So I got the full description on how to do it in the description section if you need to read it, but I'll go ahead and explain it here. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube app on your iPhone or your iPad, play the video that you want. Let's say you're watching a podcast on YouTube, for example, and then swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, and then tap AirPlay, the AirPlay audio icon, which is the triangle with circles. Select your HomePod mini. The video will continue playing on your iPhone, and of course you're doing this in real time, but the sound will come from the HomePod mini. Now, the second method, you can try, that should work, but the second one is from the web browser. You can also open Safari on your iPad or your iPhone. On another browser, go to YouTube, start a video, open Control Center, and then select AirPlay, then HomePod Mini. Important things to know is it works with YouTube videos, YouTube music, podcast, movies, any app that supports audio playback. All right, and the only thing that you can't do is you can't ask Siri to play a specific YouTube video, for example. And you can't have it open YouTube directly on the HomePod Mini. All right, if for whatever reason the audio is delayed, for music this usually isn't noticeable. It won't matter because you're playing it on a speaker, but videos may have a slight delay, which you won't be looking on the screen anyway. But if to make it better, try to have your iPhone or your iPad close to your HomePod. That will help, and make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.